Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the special features. After that, click to the Quick Launch, and just to activate it you should click once on the switcher, and now we should add the password and fingerprint. So click here to add. You can enter here the 6-digit password. I'll use the different password type, for example the pattern. Now just drop your pattern if you add the pattern, like in my case, or enter the PIN code. After that, just click here to OK, and now we should set our fingerprint recognition here. So you should place your finger here on the sensor. And now once again press the sensor. After, when you feel vibration, just okay, then just click here to done. And here we activated the Quick Launch. How it works: when you will just touch and hold the fingerprint sensor here, one of your device will lock. You should just touch and hold the fingerprint sensor until these icons they will appear, and after that, just without lifting your finger, you should slide these to one from these icons. For example, I'll show you now how you should do that. So hold, and now just you should slide with your finger to the application which you want to open, for example the Google Chrome, and now as can you see, we just successfully opened the Google Chrome. So by this way we can activate Quick Launch on our device, and now as can you see, we use the voice here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.